Today, we're delving into the enduring charm of incorporating art and vintage objects into interior design, crafting spaces that narrate a rich tale of style and history. So, settle into a cozy corner and join us as we unveil 11 essential tips for seamlessly integrating these treasures into your home. Regardless of whether your design inclination leans towards the sleek lines of modern interiors, the serene simplicity of wabi-sabi, or the timeless elegance of classical design, the integration of art and vintage objects adds a layer of depth and narrative to any space. But before we embark on this journey, a warm welcome back to the beautiful home. And if you're new here, do subscribe for more interior design inspiration. The first tip: statement pieces. Anchor your decor with a standout vintage piece, whether it's an elegant armoire, a beautifully preserved tapestry, or an antique artwork, creating a focal point that defines the room. Tip 2. Accent pieces. Brighten up any space with strategically placed antique vases, vintage mirrors, or collections of old books, adding layers of intrigue and elegance. Tip 3. Mixing old with new. Master the art of contrast by blending contemporary elements with timeless antiques, creating a visually striking juxtaposition that weaves together the threads of new and old to craft a dynamic yet cohesive space. Tip 4. Architectural salvage. Integrate unique architectural elements like old windows, doors, or wrought iron gates as focal points or functional art, infusing your space with the soul of their origins. Tip 5. Mixing styles and periods. Embrace the harmonious blend of different styles and periods, creating a symphony of design that celebrates the diverse influences of history. Tip 6. Repurposing. Give antiques a new lease on life by repurposing them into functional pieces, such as transforming a vintage trunk into a coffee table, blending sustainability with personal flair. Tip 7. Mixing textures and materials. Integrate antiques to bring a variety of textures and materials into your space, enriching the sensory experience of your decor. Tip 8. Lighting with antiques. Vintage lighting fixtures not only illuminate spaces but also serve as artful decor, casting a warm glow that enhances the ambiance and highlights the beauty of surrounding antiques. Tip 9. Global inspirations. Embrace global diversity in your decor with antiques and vintage finds from around the world, adding an eclectic touch to your space. Tip 10. Reproductions and inspired by pieces. Fill your home with the essence of the past using reproductions and inspired by pieces alongside genuine antiques for a charming and character-filled environment. Tip 11. Historic home restoration. Revitalize vintage homes by preserving original features while updating essential systems, creating a living space that seamlessly blends history with modern comfort. By blending elements of the past with art and contemporary design sensibilities, our spaces become more than mere living areas. They become living canvases, reflecting the diverse tastes, experiences, and stories of our lives. These carefully curated pieces serve as visual anchors, infusing the environment with character and individuality. Whether it's a striking piece of contemporary art juxtaposed against a minimalist backdrop, weathered vintage furniture enhancing the rustic charm of a wabi-sabi-inspired room, or ornate antiques elevating the sophistication of a classical interior, each item contributes to the unique story of the space. There you have it, a glimpse into the art of integrating art and vintage objects into your home, marrying the old with the new to create a distinct decor style. We hope these tips have inspired you and will help you incorporate art and vintage pieces into your home. Subscribe for more tips at The Beautiful Home and feel free to share your decoration ideas in the comments below. Your stories inspire our community. Enjoy your beautiful home.